This tutorial is going to cover leasing an animal to another individual. We're going to go ahead and log in with our member number. We are first going to search for the person we are leasing the animal to for their member number. I'm going to look for Castella. We're going to click on search. And in this case, I would like to lease this animal to Frank and Karen Castella, so I'm going to choose their member number here. I'm going to just highlight it, and I'm going to Control-C to copy it. Or you could write it down on a piece of paper so that you can then fill it into the form, but it's 103707, and we can see that it says member number there. We're going to go ahead and click on Herd Management and Leases. And we are going to perform a lease on, let's say, a gelding. Ice's Encore. Oh, you know what? Let's do a stallion. They have more options here. Okay. Well, we're going to go ahead and lease Ice Pick to Frank and Karen. We're going to go ahead and put their member number up here in the top. And we can click on Help Tips, and that will give us an idea of what these different options are. You can see down at the bottom, A is the lessee is authorized to sign all applications for registrations of foals and breeding reports. Follows the same options that you would have on the paper form, but if you had a question as to which one you needed to choose, we're just going to go through. And we are going to choose option E. We're going to put in the beginning date of this lease. And we're going to say it's 06/01/2018 and 08/01/2018. And we're going to go ahead and click on Record Lease. And at any time, we can shut off the help tips just by clicking on Help Tips again. Again, you come up to the upper right-hand corner, click on Help Tips, and that will bring up the little window for you to see what your options are. You can always hide it again. And we're going to go ahead. At this point, we've got the member that we are doing the lease to, and we're going to go ahead and all leases are completed. We're going to go ahead and click OK. And now we can see that they have leased from us FP Ice Pick and the date range in which they have leased him. And we can go ahead and click on there's a certificate of lease. You can see that this is different than a registration certificate. It does say certificate of lease. We're going to go ahead and scroll down, and it shows that he's being leased for work or show only with no breeding rights. Okay. And you can always download the certificate. If you needed a copy for yourself, you can always do that by clicking on here. Or you can go ahead and print it to your printer. You can go ahead and click that off. And that is exactly how you would lease a horse. Is similar for a mare, same type of thing. And if you have any questions, always go up to that help tips. And if you have any questions on leasing an animal via DigitalHorses, you can contact Stacie Lynch at slynch@percheronhorse.org or by phone 740-694-3603.